Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Ujjwal's Biology Classes. A very grand welcome to all of you once again for believing in us and joining the classes of 11th, much specially for opting the subject Biology. Students, class 11th and 12th is a 2-year program which you have to take very seriously. From day first, you have to prepare your mindset to achieve excellence in your stream of study. And for that, you will mainly require a core planning about your syllabus. Today, in this video, I will take you through a small tour on which we will see a snapshot of what we will be going to study in our class 11th. Before starting, I just want to say that I hope all of you have opted for biology subject because you like it and not that you wanted yourself to be getting away from mathematics. I hope that's not the case. Nevertheless, I will only say this subject has a lot to offer you, provided you give your 100% to it. Try to understand each and every small concept along with me, and together I am sure we will succeed. So, first of all, I will bring up to you the syllabus pattern. So, in class 11th, there are total 5 units, starting with the diversity in the living world, all which is like accustomed to the biodiversity. Next, we will be having the structural organization in plants and animals. Then everything we have to study about the cell, the structure, the functions. Even in this chapter, we will be doing about the biomolecules, the structures of the different carbohydrates, the proteins, the enzymes in our body, and cell division. Next, we will be going through the plant physiology. In class 10th, you had the chapter life process 1 and life process 2. So all the life processes which was taking in plant, we will be dealing with it in plant physiology, and the life processes in animals we will be dealing in this unit, the last unit, 5th unit of our class 11 syllabus, that is animal physiology. Now let us have a look what are the chapters in each of these units, starting with diversity in the living world. Now here we have to study about the chapter 1 is the living world. Like we will be starting with the basic concepts of what is living, how the non-living things are different from the living. So you will be might be noticing that there are certain kind of things which we tell that living thing is different. The living thing has the ability to grow, has the ability to move, has the ability to reproduce, and the non-living doesn't. But when I'll be taking you through this chapter, you see there are many kind of misconceptions about this. We will be getting through. The second is that the biological classification. Since the term biodiversity defines the large amount of living organisms, from the microscopic organisms to the largest of the plants and animals. So how they are classified and how they are placed in a categorical manner, we will be looking into the biological classification. Next, we will be talking about the plant kingdom. I hope you have remembered a little things which was taught to you in class 9th, diversity in organisms. If not, this is the best time you can get your 9th book material and you can go through it. So when we will be taking you to these chapters, you have a very good idea about it. Second unit is all about the structural organization in plants and animals. Here also we will be mainly discussing about the morphology and the anatomy of the plants. But here in plants we will be only concentrating on especially the angiosperms or the flowering plants. So first The chapter which comes under the structural organization is about the morphology of the flowering plants. Morphology, as you know, refers to the structure. So we will be talking about a detailed analysis of the stem, the root, the leaves, each and everything. Second, we have the anatomy of the flowering plants. So morphology was structurally, and inside, what are the cells, how the tissues have been formed, we will be talking about in the anatomy of the flowering plants. Second, we will be studying about the structural organization in animals. Same, we will be talking as there was tissues in class 9th. We will be considering the different kind of 4 types of tissues in animals: the epithelial, muscular, connective, and neural. We will be going through it in the structural organization in animals. Apart from it, we have to deal with the basic life processes which is going on in earthworm, in cockroach, and in frog, like the digestive system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, how it is taking place, we will be dealing with in the structural organization in animals. Moving on to the third unit, we have cell. Now here, not only we will be studying about the entire cell, its organelles, the prokaryotic, the eukaryotic, we will be mainly dealing with the biomolecules, the structure of the macromolecules like protein, carbohydrate, lipids. Then we will be talking about the DNA, the genetic material, deoxyribonucleic acid, and everything. Third, we will be dealing with the cell cycle and the cell division. A cell, after its formation, what are the stages through which it goes before it is ready to get divided? So we will be talking about the cell cycle in that, and cell division. You hear about mitosis and meiosis. We will be dealing with the two in detail in the chapter or the portion cell division. Next, the fourth, we will be having the plant physiology. Here, a quick look, we will be having the transport, we have the mineral nutrition, photosynthesis in detail we will be studying, the respiration, plant growth, development. And in animal physiology, we will be studying, talking about the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, excretory system, the skeletal and the muscular system, the nervous system, and finally we will be talking about the endocrinal system. So I hope you have got a snapshot of what all things we will be coming up. It is a vast syllabus, but if you plan in the right way, in the right manner, and from the first day, we can easily get good marks both in our class 12 board exams, as well as you can also score good marks for the NEET. So thank you. I'll be starting with the first chapter, for which you will be getting your video tomorrow. Till then, thank you.